How to save lakhs while repaying your education loan? You would qualify for a tax rebate of approximately 4 lakhs. This would reduce your total interest paid from 19 lakhs to 15 lakhs. But when it comes to NBFCs, there's only one player. That is, would you like to save a few lakhs when paying back your education loan? Hi there. I'm Sinha and I'm going to tell you how. But before we start, I would like to ask you to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell if you have not done so already. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff. How to save lakhs while repaying your education loan? The answer is simple. Section 80E of Income Tax Act. But do all loans have it? No. Let's understand things in detail. Let's start with diving into what Section 80E is all about. It's like this awesome little provision that lets you save tax since you have paid interest on your education loan. Now, because there's an act, there are some rules that you need to know to make the most out of it. The person whose name is on the education loan can claim tax reductions under 80E. The same goes for co-applicants. Secondly, it's mandatory that you've taken a loan for higher education, which can be for a bachelor's, PG diploma, or master's, either from India or abroad. Third, the loan should be either for you, your spouse, or your children. Most commonly, the parents get in on the action and claim tax reductions under 80E for the education loans they have taken out for the children. Before we move on, let me give you a practical example of tax rebate under Section 80. Suppose you have taken a loan of 30 lakh rupees for a 2-year course at 12% interest rate. Your co-applicant's annual income falls between 5 and 10 lakh rupees income tax bracket. In this scenario, you qualify for a tax rebate of approximately 4 lakhs. This would reduce your total interest paid from 19 lakhs to 15 lakhs, lowering your effective interest rate to just 9.5%. No matter how high your interest rate is, you can still claim reductions under 80E. There is no limit whether you are paying 4,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees in interest for your loan or 4 lakh rupees. It's a pretty great deal, right? Alright, moving right along. This tax reduction works for both vocational courses and regular ones. Here's the catch. The lender you have chosen for your education loan must have the official Gazette notification which mentions their name from the Income Tax Department of India. Let's talk about this in detail. All public sector banks and private sector banks in India are all eligible for this tax reduction. They are all in for you in this tax saving game. But when it comes to NBFCs, there's only one player, that is HDFC Credit. None of the other NBFCs and definitely not the international lenders will aid in this benefit. So it's important to choose your lender wisely. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. Yes, there is no cap on the amount of money you can claim through 80E, but there is a time limit. You can claim the benefits for a maximum of 8 consecutive financial years, starting from the year when you begin repaying the loan, or until you've fully cleared off the interest whichever comes first. Now, you might be thinking, should I pay off my loan ahead of schedule? It's a valid question. A most common doubt. Some borrowers strategically plan to cash in on these tax benefits. How? They extend the repayment period to a full 8 years to make the most out of 80E. This clever strategy allows them to put their extra money into investments ahead of repaying the loan. But here's the catch. This approach works only if you can earn higher returns through investments than the interest rate on the loan. So if you are confident that your investments will make you more money than you would save by paying off your loans early, only then this is the way to go. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It also depends on your financial situation and goals. What are the documents required for your 80E? Your bank will give you a certificate or a repayment sheet that tells you how much interest you have paid out in a specific financial year. This piece of paper is super important. It is your proof, your ticket to claim that tax reduction you're after. So keep it safe and sound. Apart from this certificate, you will want to have a loan sanction letter from the bank or NBFC that lent you the money. And if you are a salaried individual, you can hand over your bank statements to your employer. They will use this info to work some magic and include that reduction in your Form 16. All of these pieces come together to help you grab that income tax benefit. 2 important notes for you. Number 1, if you're a salaried employee, tell your employer about your planned education loan repayments in the coming year. They will use this information to reduce your TDS, so your take-home salary will increase. Number 2, if you are residing outside of India for more than 180 days in any financial year, you will be considered a non-resident for tax purposes. This means that you will not be able to claim the tax benefit under Section 80E yourself. There is a workaround though. You can have your co-applicant repay the loan on your behalf, and they, in case they are claiming income tax benefits and filing income tax returns, they can claim this benefit instead of you. So there you have it, guys. Section 80E is your golden ticket to significant savings on your education or interest. Don't miss out on this opportunity to keep those lakhs in your pocket. Here at GyanDhan, we're on your side. We have teamed up with various trusted lenders, and the good news is that more than half of them give you the benefit of 80E. So not only can we assist you in getting your education loan, but we're also here to guide you on how to claim all these benefits. So that's it for this video. Do like and share. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.